Today I'm going to be doing a video walkthrough of our basement apartment at our rental renovation. This is a second home we bought and renovated, and now we are living part-time and renting out the basement as an Airbnb. You walk into the living room, which is also open into the dining room, and I also managed to carve out a small little office area for me. The barn door actually leads to the furnace, which we didn't move. When we bought the house, it was like a 70s retro theme. There was a lot of paneling, there was carpet that had recently been ripped out, and a bar area. It was actually hiding a structural wall, so that's what we have that's now dividing the kitchen and the dining room. We did an IKEA kitchen down here, and I painted all the cabinets and the drawers so they would be a nice custom color. Next to the fridge, before you go to the bathroom, we have our linen closet zone where we hold all our towels and sheets. We fit a full-sized bathroom down here, and it's a lot more convenient from what there used to be, which was a toilet and a small sink, and there was also a shower room located in a different hallway. We have two bedrooms, the first of which is kind of a long, narrow space. We're using it as our bedroom, and we also have the crib set up for our new baby. This room used to be completely dark paneled space, and you had to enter it through the other room. The second bedroom we have set up for our children. We actually configure this room differently depending on who's renting it for our Airbnbs, but I share a photo of how it looks like normally on the blog if you want to check that out. Previously, this room was the larger bedroom, but we kind of carved some space out for the kitchen when we reconfigured the layout for the entire basement. Our basement only has 7-foot ceilings, but we managed to get a lot of cabinets and space into the kitchen, and adding a lot of new lights, more open space and less paneling makes it look a lot bigger and brighter than what it used to be. We did add a hallway that goes into the shared laundry room, and I didn't share it on this video, but I'll include photos in the blog post. And now I'll just go through the basement tour again, so you can get a full view of the space without the cutting back and forth. And I do apologize for my walking and trying to hold the camera at the same time. It's a different video, so the angles might be a bit different,